All right, folks, welcome back. We are continuing our vibe coding experience where we are using the KendoReact AI coding assistants to help us create a productivity app for work. My name is Kathryn Nans. I'm the Senior Developer Advocate for KendoReact, and this is my friend.
Hey guys, I'm Kalii Medina. I'm a front-end developer and UI designer.
Today, we are going to keep working on our project. We're going to be adding a to-do list. So just a quick way to check off some tasks that you need to do, keep track of what's on your list for today. No productivity app would be possibly complete without a to-do list. So do you want to kick us off and throw our first prompt into the Copilot extension?
Yes, let's go. Is a component called just to-do list? What's it called?
So we don't actually have a specific component for this. I think we should just describe what we want and let the coding assistant decide which KendoReact components would be the best fit.
Sounds like a plan. To-do list component should it be fancy? Should it not be fancy?
You know what? Let's just see what it starts us out with, basics. And if we want to add some specific features once we see it, we can always give another prompt.
Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it at this. Does that look good to you?
That works for me.
Perfect.
Now, are you a to-do list kind of person, or do you just like keep it all in your head and work from there?
It depends on the subject matter. If it's groceries, I usually need a to-do list. Because I always forget the important ice cream that I need. But yeah, and then otherwise it just varies. What about you?
I I have a list for everything and a list of lists to organize all the lists.
The inception of lists. I love it. Okay, so it looks like it spit out.
Nice. So it's got some buttons and some inputs to handle a basic to-do list. It looks like we can add tasks, remove them. You know what? Let's just drop it into a fresh file and see what it looks like.
Sounds good. Oh, wait, there we go. Just use the features that it gives you.
So what's it upset at?
It upset at the on change and then the primary. I'm gonna have Copilot fix those two things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think the button property, the wording's just a little bit different. Okay, so accept.
Wait, import type.
Yeah, it added the import in a weird place there. Let's move that import up.
My friend.
To others.
What are you doing?
Interesting choice there.
Super interesting. It was just like, I'm tired, but here you go. Okay, so it looks like that went away. So let's do this second one.
Yeah, I don't remember off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure there's a different way to the property isn't primary. I'm gonna do a little double check. This is where I would do human in the loop.
Human in the loop.
AI, because I'm pretty sure the way to do button theming is to set type to primary.
Oh, not theme color.
Yeah, so primary. Well, maybe theme color. Is that what it changed it to?
Yes.
Let's give that a shot. Because, yeah, I don't remember off the top of my head what the syntax is for that. So.
Okay. So do you just want to give it a shot in the browser and so I can add it to the app?
Ooh, you know what? It was right. I just went up and I looked it up on the docs. It is theme color. So I was wrong. It's not type. I knew primary wasn't right. I knew primary had to be the value, but I couldn't remember where. So while it did have a little mistake, it also did correct itself. So yeah, let's import it into our main page and see how it looks.
Oh, what did it call it? I just realized. Okay, cool. Perfect. It's already telling me. Yay! I really hate it how it just goes completely red.
Oh, while you like are still typing and haven't closed your tags yet? Yeah, it's like Huey on it.
Yeah,
I'm working on it.
Hold on. Um, okay. So, oh, look, I can even need to refresh.
Ooh. All right, let's test it out.
Okay, very basic. Cool. And we can remove it. Oh, it's nice I added a remove button. We did not ask it to. And I'm going to remove it.
Built in.
Yay!
Perfect.
Perfect.
All right. Yeah, that honestly, I'm trying to think if there's any like fancy little features we would want to add, but that, I mean, a to-do list is pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd want?
Um, I guess the idea of, I mean, remove is checking it off, but I guess like maybe a checkoff box. I don't know. That's just the UI, me.
This is good, but let's change the, what is it, a remove button to a checkbox instead?
Well, no, so I would want to keep the remove button. I just want a checkbox next to the item because to me, for removal
Oh, you
and
want to
checking,
see it.
yeah. So like, let's say if you added a task that you're not gonna get done today or something like that, that's removing it from the day. But checking it off is completing it for the day. Does that make sense?
I see what you mean. So maybe you want a completed state, and maybe we show it like stylized with like strike through text or something.
Yes, that's
So,
the
so yeah, what?
uh, mm, and um, sure, this is not human speak at all. Actually, human speaking, that is human speak because
You know what? It's
brain.
not human.
I mean, I'm curious what it's gonna do.
Yeah, me too, a little bit. But that was a pretty open-ended prompt there. I could see that being like solved in a couple of different ways. So,
Yeah, no, I'm not telling it how I want it to do it in the slightest. I just want it to do it.
right.
So that we'll be giving it a couple of options. It did, as you were saying, it did add the checkbox component, so that's good.
That's good. That's what I would have done. Not that that's always a measurement of success, but
What does Kathryn do? Okay, so we're gonna copy this over. I'm not even gonna read it other than that one thing. You know what? Oh, sorry. I did see something that it took out, which I wonder if that would change it. But
the remove button.
yeah, the input change.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
I think you have to accept it. I think you opened it but didn't quite accept it. There we go. Let's try again.
Okay, so
Oh, there is a checkbox. It's just very small.
where? I'm blind.
All the way over on the left-hand side.
No.
Oh, so it does toggle the strike through. That's kind of nice. We
like
just did not
that.
see it.
I'm just blind as a bat.
I didn't see it either. So we have our to-do list here with a checkbox that lets us strike through our tasks and a remove button.
It worked.
And I think when we get to the styling portion, which is going to happen in a later video, we'll be able to change that checkbox so that it's a little more visible.
Yes, it's a little, yeah, it needs some work.
But hey, we're probably going to want to put this in a little card, right? So it also won't be stretched all the way across. That'll help visually as well.
Oh, for sure. Okay. Anything else?
Let's actually go ahead and put it in that card right now, and we can go ahead and call this feature complete.
Do you want to, I'm gonna copy what this is.
Yeah, I think let's just, for consistency's sake, use the same card that we did for our time tracker, and we'll just wrap it around our to-do list as well.
Sounds good. Hold on, please.
You've got an extra card close at the end of line 36.
You are correct. I see that. I can read. Okay.
All
That
right.
looks good. So I'm gonna add just another one just to keep it rolling. Oh, look, it looks so much better when the checkbox is right there. We're gonna
Perfect.
striking it out and we're gonna remove it. Yay! I finished my task for the day. Perfect.
Everything we needed.
Yay!
Love it. All right. Well, I'm feeling pretty good about that. How about you?
I think that is great. It covered everything that we needed to do, and that was super fast.
Yeah, I appreciated that even though we didn't tell it, like, use this component or this component, make a to-do list
Hmm.
with the button and the checkbox and
Right.
the input, it kind of
Hmm.
figured it all out on its own.
It really did, yeah, especially if there's components that you aren't fully aware of or want to think of right off the bat for it to just be like, hey, these might help, so let's put them in it. So I think that's a good way. It covers the basics, but doesn't fully like just give the basics. So which is nice.
Yeah, that's a really good point. Because, yeah, if you were new to KendoReact and you weren't entirely sure what was even available, to
Right,
just be able to
exactly.
describe the problem and let it
Hmm.
solve it
Hmm.
was nice.
Yeah. Hooray.
Well, I don't think there's much more we can do than that. So let's go
No.
ahead and call it.
Okay, sounds good.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Bye, guys.